Welcome back to my morning report. Now this video is on Monday 13th of February with Mirich Pro Market Analyst at Asset Markets. I'm going to look at euro dollar now, and we've got this this uptrend break has now started to form a new downtrend. Certainly in the last few days it seems as though there's a new trend formation developing, but I think until you get a breakdown below 105.77, which was this mid-January low, subsequently 5.87 and then 106.17, you've not really got a sort of confirmation of that move. Now you've seen a move to 106.06, which seems to be sort of holding for now today. But you look at these momentum indicators: crossover sell signal on the MACD, RSI below 50, stochastics falling, having sort of given a bear divergence as well, which is this red line and the red line. That's what that shows you. So the pressure is going to the downside, but not quite confirmed yet as a bear break. I suppose if you sort of took it in isolation, this could just be a month-long consolidation, couldn't it, really? So you'd need to see that breakdown, preferably on a closing basis, to really sort of suggest that the bears are really grasping control. But for now, it is just a drift lower, nothing too significant, basically flat on the day-to-day. 107.10, I've talked about that a few times. 107.10, a pivot line, which is a historic level as well, but 107.10 is certainly now becoming a pivot line. So that is your initial resistance, but look at this 60 on the RSI, on the hourly. Sort of seems to limit, doesn't it? Seems to limit the upside. MACD lines are more negatively configured, so there is a sort of a tendency to fall away, certainly, with rallies being sold into. And it is interesting that, again, this little rally that we had this morning just came back into this area of overhead supply, really, around that 106.50, 106.60 area, and sort of failed. 106.65, you'd argue. 667, but 665, I suppose you could argue, basis of resistance that we saw from Friday. Underneath the 107.10 mark, so again a lower high there, and it all just does add up towards sort of pressure on this 105.77 level. But as I said, we haven't yet seen the break, so we can't get too bullish, too sort of bearish quite yet. But it is moving that way. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.